In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow effect in GIMP. Whether you're looking to add some depth to text or make a subject in your image pop, the drop shadow effect can be a great way to enhance your visuals. I'll guide you through these quick and easy steps. Let's start with opening your image in GIMP. First, launch the GIMP application, and once it's open, go to the top menu and click on File. Then select Open. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate your files. Find the image you want to work with and open it. It might take a moment to load, but soon enough, you'll see your image on the screen, ready for some creative enhancement. Now, take a look at the Layers panel, typically located on the right side of the workspace. This panel displays all the layers currently in your project. Find the specific layer you want to add a shadow to and select it. Remember, if the Layers panel is not visible, you can always enable it by going to Windows at the top menu, then Dockable Dialogues, and finally selecting Layers. The next step is really where the magic happens. Head up to the Filters menu at the top. From there, mouse over to Light and Shadow, and you'll see the Drop Shadow option appear. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up. This dialog is your key to customizing how the drop shadow will appear. Here you'll find settings for offset X and Y, which control the horizontal and vertical distance between the shadow and the object. Experiment with these numbers to see how they change the shadow's position. Next, you have the blur radius. This setting adjusts the softness of the shadow's edges. A larger value creates a softer, more diffuse shadow, while a smaller one results in a sharper shadow. Finally, there's the opacity setting. This controls how transparent the shadow appears. A higher opacity makes the shadow darker and more pronounced, while a lower opacity results in a lighter, subtler effect. Take your time to tweak these options until you get a look that fits your project best. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, simply click OK to apply the shadow to your layer. You should see an immediate difference, adding dimension and appeal to your image. The final step is to save your beautifully edited image. Head back to the File menu and select Export As. Choose your desired file format and destination, then click Export. This ensures that your work is safely saved and ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a drop shadow effect in GIMP. Perfect for bringing depth and style to your images efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create.